Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Malyala. So you whoever maybe or JEE means 2021 aspirant or 2022 aspirant or 2023 aspirant, or you are in class 11 preparing for MSET, or you are class 12 preparing for MSET, or you have completed your class 12 preparing for MSET, BITSET, any exam, people, please watch this video till the end. So you will be getting some important stuff from this particular video, and which will really keeps you motivated throughout your preparation. So what I wanted to say you guys is time, which plays a crucial role in each and every entrance exam aspirants. Let it be JEE, or let it be MSET, or let it be BITSET, let it be anything. So if you are going to write an entrance exam, time is which plays a crucial role. How? So yesterday, so regarding the high level meeting, many people what actually they did is total day. So they have waited for the result of that particular meeting to be announced. But what happened at the end? Nothing is announced, and you have been pranked by them. So that is what I'm saying. You have wasted your total whole day of preparation in these crucial hours. This is one of the golden opportunity you people got due to lockdown. Okay, utilize this properly. Let the exams postpone. Don't worry about them. Whenever they ask you to postpone, at least they will give you some time before that. For example, if they are going to conduct JEE events, they said you will be informed at least 15 days before that, so you can make necessary changes in your preparation at that time. At the same time, if they are going to conduct the board exam, they will inform you at least by 20 days, right? So till then, don't worry about all these things. Okay, if you keep on discussing all these things, right, so you will be diverted from the main topic. What is your main topic? Preparation for your goals. So working for your goals is the main aim and main topic of yours. So whenever you start discussing about other topics which are unnecessary, you will starts to demotivate, and you will start deviate from your studies. So if that happens, time will be wasted, which you can't get it back. And don't feel regret if you do these things at present, and you will surely feel regret of doing all these things in future. So there is always a saying, your present actions will affect your future actions, and your present actions will depend upon your past actions. So hope you all got something out of this particular line. Now, and also one more important thing, how one can utilize this lockdown. So one of the most important thing is not only just preparation, not only solving questions, not only going through each and every concept, one should also always write a mock test and analyze the mock test. So how to analyze the mock test, I will be uploading the detailed video regarding that soon. So please wait for that, and do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Whenever I upload that video, you will get a notification. I suggest each one of you to at least write a mock test for every 2 to 3 days. So now you may ask me, brother, from where we have to write the mock test? So don't worry. So there is a mock test kind of things which Unacademy is bringing to you. So just check out this and do apply for this. This is a free test. So don't worry, no need to pay anything, okay? Are you missing IPL? Yes, I do miss the IPL, but for all those who are preparing for IIT JEE, so there is a T20 test series for IIT JEE which is conducted by Unacademy. You will be able to win 3 crore worth scholarships. Enroll now for free using my code CHERANYT. This is the schedule for the T20 test series. Group stage is from 10th May to 24th May, playoffs is from 25 to 28th May, and the finals is on 29th May. This is about test, 20 questions, 30 minutes, 7 maths, 7 physics, 6 chemistry. Based on your rank, these are the scholarships and prizes you will get. So take a screenshot of it for group stage. Based on your rank in playoffs, you will be getting these scholarships and prizes worth 3 crore. And based on your performance, based on your rank in finals, so these are the scholarships and prizes you will be getting. Do enroll now for free using my code CHERANYT. So the link for the test is in the description. And coming to my words about the competition increases or not, only one thing I can say is totally depends on how you utilize this particular time. Whoever use this particular time properly, as I said, time plays a crucial role. Whoever uses this properly, they will get the success, and vice versa. Stop thinking about all these things. Stay motivated. So that's all for this video. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.